he's ready to play. Zoom in the globe in a brand new way. With games and friends and stories so bright, he helps kids talk and find their light. Zazu's world is wild and fun. Come explore with everyone.
Hi friends, it's me, Zazu. Today I'm in Paris at a cafe. Can you say cafe? Great job. I'm so excited because I get to eat yummy treats. Are you ready to join me? Let's go inside the cafe and have some fun. I'm now in this cute little cafe. Inside the cafe I can see something delicious. A croissant. Can you say croissant? Croissant is a soft, buttery bread shaped like a moon. Let's pretend to eat together. Oh wow, yummy. Wow, look at this. It's a crepe. Can you say crepe? A crepe is thin and sweet, sort of like a pancake, but much thinner. Let's say it together. Crepe. Now let's pretend to eat it. Yummy, yummy crepe. All this food makes me so hungry. Can you say hungry? Put your hands on your tummy like this. Oh gosh, I'm so hungry. But eating makes me happy too. Can you say happy? Yay, happy. Now let's play a game. I'll say a word and you say it after me. Ready? Say cafe, say croissant, say crepe, say hungry. Wonderful! You did it! Zazu is so proud of you! The sun is setting here in Paris, and I know that we had so much fun at the cafe today, but it's time to go. Here's what we did today. We ate a croissant and a crepe. We learned words like hungry, happy, and play. All of these words were so much fun to practice with you. Well, that's all for now. I hope to see you on my next big adventure. Bye, friends.